VST Lighting is located at Century Industrial Park in Pinghu district of Shenzhen City. The reception decoration concept of green energy saving and environment-friendly products. Over 300 office for engineering, marketing, planning, procurement, and HR. Luxurious and intelligent meeting room. Testing instruments for electronical parts, incoming inspection. Cutting machine for aluminum light diffuser. CNC machine for drilling process. SMT machines for PCB mounting process. Reflow soldering machine. Wave soldering machine. DIP production line. COB clean room. Crystal curing machine. Manual fabricate line. Ultraviolet and vibration aging testing. PCB slicing machine. COB auto soldering machine. COB slicing machine. Strip light auto soldering machine. Laser printer. Bending life testing machine and button life testing machine. Salt foggy aging testing. Strip light twisting testing. Integrating sphere testing for lead specs. Chip burner. Lead finished goods aging testing. VST Lighting was awarded the certification of China's National High-Tech Enterprises in 2018. VST Lighting has applied dozens of patents in domestic and abroad. VST Lighting is the total cabinet light solution provider. Aluminum linear light. CE, CETL, and UTL certification. SGS certification.